Welcome to our DecoFix processing video. Put the chippings or gravel into a suitable mixing container. Start the mixing process, open the bottle and add the bottle contents to the mixture. Make sure the bottle is completely empty. The entire mixing process should take at least 6 minutes until the stones are completely wetted with the binder. Pour the finished mixture onto the prepared surface and spread it with a clean shovel. Then level the surface with a leveling rod. Now compact the surface with a smoothing trowel and level the surface at the same time. The better the surface is compacted, the more durable it will be. And it is done. Look at this result. Thank you for watching. Visit our homepage at www.a-joint.de and learn more about A-Joint.